Hi guys, in this tutorial I just want to show you how to put to filter and then to put in the age number to here. How many 35 to 45, how many people they uh, get a good income, or uh, in above of 55, how many people they working, or how many people they get a good salary. Just I want to show you month's income to show you, and let's go to do it that one. And then guys, if you want to, you can put here in the center here, but I don't want to put that one. Everything look clear, and for some people they want to put here because I just want to show you how to make like that. uh okay, so guys, come to here. Let's go to get the month's income. Wait, we want to at first so now we guys want to use card. Okay, so here in card we are going to use month's income like this, and then here we want to filter to the age. We go to get CFG here. Okay, so like this, and let's go to format. Okay, let's go to background. Okay, so one background. I'll go to the something else, and you can see it. Just okay, like this, like this. Uh, okay, title. We don't need to give title. But go to here, pull out. So you can, if you want it, you can this it 20. Font size symbol. Okay, so look call. Then come to here. Uh, Table. So we don't want to table like this. Let's go to make it small. Okay, very tight like this. Like this is okay. Then you take to put on the center here, like this one. And then you go to filter. So we are under this 25, right? So how many people they income? Let's go to see 25. Uh, 25, very small. Let's go to see 25 to 35, 34, 3 million. Look, guys. So from 25 to 35, so many people they work, but before 24, so some people they students, and guys, you know some people, most of them not working, so they're still not working always, so because of that it's a very small. So let's go to see from 35 to 44. Also we have a 3 million, and from 45 to 54 we have a 2 million, so the number become decreasing. And let's go to see over, you see the 72, so it's a very small number, because you see the early number, when we go to older, the number getting smaller, and when we are young also we still smaller, right? So this way guys, you are going to put like this and using the card that you can to use all of this one. here to put in the middle or around the center here if you want. But for me, I think it's look now clear and it's nice. So, but I just want to share with you guys, you can learn making this greatest things for data analyze master course. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next. We are now 90%. We only 10% left. We are going to put here. We are using KPIs, and then that's it. So I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Bye for now.